how to show your unread emails at the top in your inbox. This is for Outlook on a Mac computer. So first I'm going to open up Outlook. This is what your main page or your inbox should look like when you first open Outlook. As you can see, my emails are organized by recents, but I want to organize my emails by having the unread emails at the top. So this is your home bar. It should be selected on the home option. Find the filter emails button and then click this arrow to drop down and so you can see all the options. Click the unread button, and now as you can see, my emails are organized by unread instead of by recents. To unselect it, all you do is click the filter button again and it should go back to normal. To show unread emails at the top of the list on Outlook.com, you click the filter button and you click unread, and now it is shown by unread at the top instead of by recents. And to undo it, all you click is unread, and there it's back to normal.